Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get money off your Coinbase wallet. First, understand that Coinbase Wallet is a self-custody wallet, separate from the Coinbase exchange. To access your funds, you'll need to move your crypto from your wallet to your Coinbase exchange account. This process involves a few steps, including paying network fees. Always double-check the recipient address before confirming any transfer to avoid losing your assets. Once you're in your Coinbase wallet, select the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Tap the Send button, then carefully paste or scan your Coinbase exchange wallet address for that particular crypto. Enter the amount you wish to send, keeping in mind any minimums or network fees. Always review all the transaction details, including the network fee, before you confirm the transfer to ensure accuracy. After your cryptocurrency arrives in your Coinbase exchange account, log in to the exchange platform. Go to the trade section and find the crypto you just transferred. You'll then have the option to sell it. Select your desired fiat currency, such as US dollars, and enter the amount you wish to sell. The exchange will show you the current market rate and any associated fees before you finalize the sale. With your crypto now converted to fiat currency on the Coinbase exchange, you can withdraw it. Ensure you have a verified bank account or PayPal linked to your Coinbase account. Navigate to your portfolio, select your fiat currency balance, and choose the withdraw option. Enter the amount you want to send to your linked account and confirm the transaction. Withdrawal times can vary, typically taking a few business days. And for more great deals, including a link to bring your space to life with a smart speaker, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.